let's try to balance another chemical equation for the given word reaction with another example. The word equation is iron plus water gives iron oxide plus hydrogen. First, we will start with writing the chemical equation for the given word equation. The chemical equation is. Now identify the reactants and products in the reaction. Substances to the left-hand side of the arrow are called reactants. Here iron and water are reactants. Substances to the right-hand side of the arrow are called products. Here iron oxide and hydrogen are products. Now, let us balance the equation step-by-step procedure as we discussed earlier. Step 1. List out the element involved in the reactants and products in the table, and identify the element which has highest number of element in the equation, and try to balance that element first. Step 2. Note the number of molecules of each element, at left-hand side, that is reactants, and right-hand side, that is products. Let us start with iron. Iron has 1 molecule on the left-hand side, and 3 molecules on the right-hand side. Hydrogen has 2 molecules on the left-hand side, and 2 molecules on right-hand side. Oxygen has 1 molecule on the left-hand side, and 4 molecules on right-hand side. Compare the numbers of molecules of the element, on left-hand side reactant, and right-hand side products. Iron. We have 1 molecule of iron on left-hand side, and 3 molecules on right-hand side. Here, iron is not balanced. Next, compare hydrogen element. We have 2 molecules on left-hand side, and 2 molecules on right-hand side. So, hydrogen is balanced. Then, compare oxygen element. We have 1 molecule on left-hand side, and 4 molecules on right-hand side. Here chlorine is also not balanced. Now, let us balance the number of molecules of each element on both sides, to get a balanced equation. Step 3. We need to change the coefficient of the substance. However, we should not change subscripts of the atom, as this will affect the chemical bonding structure of atom. As we know, in general, while balancing the equation, hydrogen and oxygen elements should not be balanced first. So let us balance iron first. Add 3 to the coefficient of iron on left-hand side. It becomes 3 iron plus water gives iron oxide plus hydrogen. Compare the number of molecules of element on both sides. Iron. 3 on left-hand side, and 3 on right-hand side. Hydrogen. 2 on left-hand side, and 2 on right-hand side. Oxygen. 1 on left-hand side, and 4 on right-hand side. Here oxygen is not balanced. Still the equation is not balanced. So let us balance oxygen. Add 4 to the coefficient of water on left-hand side. It becomes 3 iron plus 4 water gives iron oxide plus hydrogen. Compare the number of molecules of element on both sides. Iron. 3 on left-hand side, and 3 on right-hand side. Hydrogen. 8 on left-hand side and 2 on right-hand side. Here hydrogen gets unbalanced. Oxygen. 4 on left-hand side, and 4 on right-hand side. So let us balance hydrogen. Add 4 to the coefficient of hydrogen on right-hand side. It becomes 3 iron plus 4 water gives iron oxide plus 4 hydrogen. Compare once again the number of molecules of element on both sides. Iron. 3 on left-hand side, and 3 on right-hand side. Hydrogen. 8 on left-hand side, and 8 on right-hand side. Oxygen. 4 on left-hand side and 4 on right-hand side. Finally, all the elements having same number of molecules on both the sides. So, the given chemical equation is balanced. With this, we completed the session on chemical equation.